So I'm going to explain you that there are different ways to say hello. Hello, you can shake your hand and say hello everybody, hello. Or you say hello, hello, hi. You can shake your hand and say hello, hello, okay. You can say hello, how are you to us. What is the feel and in what way the other person feel? You say, how are you? Okay? How are you? Are you okay? Are you happy? Are you tired? Are you angry? Or are you great? Fantastic, okay? And you can say goodbye. Let's say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you. See you. Bye-bye. Okay. You can say hello. How are you? Or you can say goodbye. Goodbye. See you. Okay? There are the different ways to say. But today we're going to say hello to the wild animal. Walking on the jungle, walking in the jungle. We not afraid, we not afraid. You can remember the lion, wow. The tiger too, elephant does say, what does the elephant say? And the crocodile and the snake. There are other different wild animals like the polar bear, the zebra, the giraffe, and there are many wild animals that you are going to see on the next video. Okay, pay attention. So, welcome to the jungle. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We have here giraffe. Giraffe has long neck, and they are also a wild animal. Hello, giraffe. Hello. Okay, what's the next? Penguin. The penguins are wild animals too. Penguins. Penguins are black, white, and yellow. Penguins are wild animal too. So, snake. Snake, repeat. Snake, perfect. Monkey, look at this beautiful monkey. Monkey are funny. Monkeys. Who's next? The frog. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Frog. Repeat after me. Frog. Okay, perfect. Frog. Oh, lion. The lion lives in the jungle, the king of the jungle. So, lion, what does the lion say? Wow. So, next, hippo. Hippo are so cute. They have a big mouth. Hippo. So tigers. Tigers are family to the cats. They're big cats. The name is tiger. Right. Zebras are black and white. Look at these. They are black and white. They look like a horse, but they are black and white. Zebra, zebra. So the polar bear. Oh, they are white and he likes to eat fish. The polar bears are cute. Yeah? So now the elephant. What does the elephant say? Perfect. Okay. So I hope that you enjoyed this animal. So guys, I'm going to invite you to watch the video about walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. So this monkey say goodbye, goodbye, bye, bye. Bye, 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 goodbye. See you later, alligators. Bye, bye, butterflies. Bye, butterflies. Bye, alligators. See you next class.